Hi, I'm Greg Maxwell and welcome to my shop, home of Dogwood Custom Acoustic Guitars and Luthiery Services. I run a full-service setup and repair shop here in beautiful Knox County, Ohio, and you never know what's going to come across my bench. Today I have this very old Gibson acoustic guitar. It needs a lot of work, and it was brought into me by a customer who claims that his grandfather and the famous bluegrass musician Lester Flatt used this guitar as a paddle one night to paddle across the Ohio River after an evening of drinking and playing music in West Virginia. Now, I don't know if that story is true or not, but if it is, that makes this guitar a really valuable and unique piece of Americana. Even if it's not, vintage Gibsons like this and many other brands of guitars are well worth the time and money it takes to restore them to full playability. Did you know that many of the best known guitar builders in America today started off their careers as repairmen? If you can learn to do high quality repair work on vintage, used and damaged guitars, it will take your building skills to the next level. For example, if you can learn to remove a loose bridge on an older guitar and re-glue it correctly, then you'll have no problem doing bridge glue ups on your new builds. Likewise, if you learn to do high quality refret work, then you'll excel at fretting your own builds where everything is under your control from the very beginning. In this video series on setup and repair, we'll cover many of the important tasks that come across the bench in a busy repair shop such as mine, day in and day out. We'll cover things like bridge re-glues, bone saddle making, bridge plate repairs on the inside of the guitar. We'll talk about refretting. We'll restore a couple of different guitars. We'll talk about changing strings correctly and the importance of humidity. And we'll cover basic setup techniques for both electric and acoustic guitars, including how to set up a Floyd Rose tremolo bridge. We'll even discuss basic soldering techniques and how to install an LR Baggs pickup in an acoustic guitar. I think you'll find that whether you're an experienced repairman and builder or whether you're just starting out, you'll find a lot of tips and information that will help you take your skills to the next level, and in the meantime, we'll have a lot of fun together. I think you'll enjoy it, and I hope you'll join me. And thanks so much for watching.